Hello foodies, today's recipe is Methi chicken.
Take 200 grams of chicken, clean it and soak in salt water.
1 cup of methi leaves,
Cup of cashew nuts, make into paste.
1 cup finely chopped onion and 2 tomato puree.
Take frying pan, heat it, add 20 ml of oil and then add cleaned methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. Stir the leaves for 2 minutes or until the raw flavor vanishes, then keep it aside. Take another fresh frying pan, add around 30 ml of oil, let it heat and then add half spoon of cumin seed, let it pop, then add chopped onion, fry it till it becomes slightly brown color, then add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, fry it together. When the raw flavor of ginger garlic paste vanishes, and then add masala, spoon chilli powder,
Half spoon turmeric,
1 spoon coriander powder, half spoon fried cumin powder, half spoon garam masala. Stir them well until the flavors blend together. Now add 2 tomato puree. Mix well and fry till the oil separates on top of the surface. Then take the strained chicken, add it into a pan, mix it well and fry it on low to medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes,
now add cashew nut paste.
here this step is an optional. If you want the restaurant style, add cashew paste. If not, leave that part. Mix the contents well till the cashew paste blends together. After 2 or 3 minutes, add 200 ml of water. Allow the chicken to cook well only on medium flame.
Check the taste of salt, add if required.
It may take around 15 minutes to cook on medium flame. Check and stir in between.
Make sure the chicken is cooked well.
When the chicken is cooked, add 2 spoons of butter or clarified butter. I added a ghee. Add 2 spoons of cream if you wish. Now add the fried methi leaves and mix them well. After adding the leaves, allow the chicken to cook only for 1 minute. Off flame and serve the dish with the toppings of fried methi leaves. Thank you. You can serve the dish with naan or chapati or roti.
It will be good even with rice.
Please try the recipe, leave a comment how it turned out and please do subscribe. Thank you.